You know, thing about milling, I guess it's funny, people have different things they do as a kid. And growing up, I loved tinkering on old equipment. I loved the process. So milling wasn't the main idea. When it started, it was just wanting to create my own entity and pursue restoring and making things work. It's exciting to sit down and see how we've grown, but we're not looking at a growth 100% anymore. It's to provide the best quality product, and that family value is the most important thing to me.
At Geechie Boy, my sister Katie is head miller. Greg does primary sales, and anything that needs fixing, he can fix when it comes to the mills. And my brothers grow the grain, and then my dad oversees that, and he's been farming since he was 12. And we wouldn't be here if it weren't for him.
Why do I use old mills? There's one simple reason. The story's being told properly. I'm leaving the oils and sugars naturally where they should be. It's a slow process. I can't compete with what we call crush and run big mills, nor do I want to. All we're trying to do is successfully use the knowledge and the equipment in the past to create the future.
I grew up on a farm that you wanted the mass production because that's your pay. But there's a point where you cross over into almost a greed. You know, look at all this I've made, look at all this I've made, but you've gone away from the flavor, you've gone away from the trueness of what it is.
Whole Foods is a huge aspect, an ability for us to tell our story. I'm one person. I can't get the product in everybody's hand. So to partner with Whole Foods, and thereafter actually knowing who we are, what we're about, and what we're trying to protect. I'm after, you know, my faith, I'm after my family, and I'm after my community. And if I can have a larger story be told out of that, then it's worth it. What we are doing, maybe we can't supply everybody in the whole world, but we can do what we're doing to the best of our ability.